I don't want to be Grandpa.
Why? What happened?
It's just moving.
Which one is moving?
There.
Which?
There.
Can I see? Your teeth?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Eh? Eh? Oh, why are you crying?
I don't want to be Grandpa.
You don't want to be a grandpa?
Yeah.
You're not going to be a grandpa. It's normal.
Why are you crying?
I don't want Mommy to see this.
So you're happy now? Your teeth will not fall? Hmm? Why? See?
None of this is satisfying. None of this is